This is a CSS tutorial in 30 seconds or so, and it's brought to you by tutvid.com. Before we're able to actually start writing CSS, we need to link our CSS document to our HTML page. That way, our HTML page knows where it's getting these instructions on how to style everything from. So I've created a new CSS document here. It's easy to do in something like Dreamweaver. It's called in-30-layout.css, and I want to link that to this .html file, which is located right there in the same folder just above it. So here's what we need to do. We need to place a link in the head portion of our HTML page. So I'm going to go right after the title, and I'm going to do an open angle bracket and say link. And the first thing I'm going to say is href, because I want to link to my CSS page. Now, because it's in the same folder, all I have to say is in-layout.css, because it just knows, all right, look around your own folder HTML page, and it's going to see that there is a CSS document named that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to say rel equals, and then in opening the quote, we're going to say style sheet, close quote. And the last thing we need to do is tell it what kind of type this is. So the type is text/CSS, and then just a closed angle bracket. No need to close this link tag itself. It's closed just like that. Now our .css file is attached to this HTML document, and when we go ahead and start writing code in our CSS document to style things in our HTML document, the HTML document is going to know to listen to what this .css file has to say. That's it. Get it? Got it? Good. Nathaniel Dodson, tutvid.com. I'll catch you in the next one.